Hi, my name is Jason with McKaig Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas, a dealer for the people. What we're going to show you today is actually this hidden charging compartment in the 2017 Texas Edition LT Tahoe. So if you look right here, there's a little button here that has arrows up and down. It looks like a little screen. If you press that, conveniently this screen just pops up, and inside of it you actually have a USB charging port, so you can actually hide your phone, maybe a little clutch purse or something that these women carry. If you have a Coach or Michael Kors one, you put it in there so nobody breaks into your car and steals it. So very convenient for you. You just press the button one more time, and then that also drops down that screen. Again, my name is Jason with McKaig Chevrolet in Gladewater, Texas, a dealer for the people.